The Team Lab is a campus core facility, primarily here to facilitate research and education by providing access to a variety of fabrication and design technologies. Our primary facility here in Davis is located in the Genome and Biomedical Sciences Facility, or GBSF. In a bit, we'll take a look at our Med Center lab on the Sacramento campus. The equipment that the Team Lab is primarily known for campus-wide would be our assortment of 3D printing technologies. I'd like to spend a moment here introducing you to the various systems we offer in the lab and speak briefly about how each technology works. The first 3D printing platform we'll take a look at is what we refer to as FDM printing. This is the most commonly available 3D printing technology, and you may have encountered a variant of it in the past if you have previous experience with 3D printing. Another technology that we offer in the lab is a derivative of standard FDM printing, known as reinforced FDM. This technology uses the same fundamental techniques as standard FDM, but has the added complexity of working with carbon fiber reinforcement to enhance the strength of our output parts. Next, we'll take a look at another printing technology we offer that uses a completely different build process. Stereolithography, often abbreviated SLA, uses a UV laser to convert UV-sensitive liquid build material into a solid object. The next technology I would like to highlight is what we refer to as carbon clip, which is widely considered a derivative of SLA printing. The build material remains a UV curing resin, as with SLA. Clip printing uses a high-powered UV DLP projector to cure entire layers of a print at a time. Polyjet printing is a 3D deposition process that shares many similarities to traditional 2D inkjet printing. However, instead of jetting droplets of ink onto paper, Polyjet printing deposits a UV curing liquid resin onto a build platform, which is solidified immediately following the jetting process. Next, I'd like to mention our 3D scanning capabilities. We do have an assortment of handheld and desktop class 3D scanners in the lab. Our desktop scanner is the highest resolution platform we offer, with the ability to capture detail at roughly 100 microns. For larger objects, we offer digital light projection-based handheld 3D scanning. This is our most adaptable and rapid scanning platform. Laser cutter manufacturing is a process where cuts are made into thin sheet substrates, constrained to an XY plane to make parts. Three-dimensional features are technically possible by way of engraving in some substrates, but more often would be the addition of bends and/or the addition of interlocking or affixed parts to achieve three-dimensional complexity. A more traditional manufacturing technology we offer in the lab, CNC machining, is a subtractive process whereby bulk material is cut down until the resultant part geometry is achieved. Next, we'll discuss our PCB, or printed circuit board manufacturing capabilities within the lab. The machine we have access to uses a high-precision subtractive machining process to remove copper from our copper-clad FR4 input material and isolate patches of copper to make what we call traces. Vacuum forming, also known as thermal forming, is a process by which we can form a thin, often transparent, sheet of plastic to a single-sided mold to generate a thin-walled but durable plastic part. The Team Lab also offers professional design services including CAD or computer-aided design. This is important as CAD models are often a prerequisite step for nearly all activities that occur within the lab. Our Sacramento-based facility is one that is focused on medical modeling and augmented reality applications in surgical pre-planning. Nearly all of our current on-site manufacturing capacity is devoted to 3D printing technologies. Specifically, the lab maintains an array of SLA 3D printers, desktop 3D printers, and a commercial-grade FDM 3D printer. The primary purpose of the facility is to facilitate surgical pre-planning operations at the medical center by way of furnishing medical models derived from patient data. Models aid in planning out complex and/or exotic surgeries through preparation and practice, or can serve as an education tool between patient and clinician. A greater understanding of the issues at hand can be achieved using a physical model, especially when contrasted with two-dimensional X-ray or CT cross-sectional views that can appear unfamiliar to an average patient.